on back, baby. Come on back. Hey. There we go. It's coming back. Oh, it didn't cut off. We got Greyhound 2 in the building with the G-Body Regal. Nitrous Bill. Uh-oh. The first round of daily drop is coming up. First round of daily driver is coming up, y'all. Go ahead and get him one of these mops. Look out, look out. Who want it? Somebody need to go ahead and put this mop to work.
Man, she was trying to tell me I need to get her nails.
Look out racing, baby, right here.
Hey, you know what that is? Nah, I told her I had it.
Oh, okay, that looks like
She fucked up and told me I need one of them long motherfuckers. I told her I didn't want one.
You got a problem right here.
And get a pickle.
He got a problem. Yeah.
I can't fuck with that motherfucker. I swallow all your mop it up.
Say mop with it. Mop with it. Man, that motherfucker.
Dude on 1 foot, quick. They said dude on 1 foot.
Oh, you trying to put it on her? Oh, you worked on it right there, baby.
And this motherfucker still trying to push There you go there, buddy. You work for the real people. There you go. There you go. Hey, put a little bit more on the other side, cuz. Hey, where McDonald's at? Say, Kim Folk, you doing a damn good job, man. They gonna hire your ass. Shit, let me record this motherfucker. Let me walk over there to him. The track man is really getting after it, folks. You really can't really tell what the hell's he really doing. What is your name, sir?
Johnny Walker.
Johnny Walker is really getting down on it. But he is getting paid by food stamps and WIC card. There you go, Johnny Walker.
Do I walk that too? Or leave it there?
Oh, okay then. Johnny Walker, do you have any money on this race?
Oh yeah, I'm with the truck.
Oh, you with the truck?
Who he racing?
He racing Blackfoot.
Yeah, I'm with him anyway. I don't care.
Oh, okay.
I'm right here. How much? Hey, this side, anybody? What's that? I'm taking the truck out.
You the cameraman now?
Yeah, I'm working for Johnny Walker. Johnny Walker is real.
Look out racing, man.
I mean, look out racing. Yeah, man.
That's good.
Yeah, that's good, School.
Okay,
Yeah, I got him on full camera. You know what I'm saying? He's doing a real good job, man.
Y'all check me out, man. I'm trying to do a good
Yeah,
job.
do a little dance for us, cuz.
Hey, look out, be at the track and he work at the track.
How you doing?
Oh, go.
Oh yeah, hold up.
My with it.
Gotta come through with the top in it.
There you go, Johnny Walker. Johnny Walker full of shit. Kim Folk, what it do?
Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. She got it right there.
Oh, you're
Mop with it.
mop with it. There you go.
I'm putting up the track with a half.
There you go. There you go, Kim Folk.
You're good. Okay. Because I want this side to win anyway.
Put him over here. Hey,
Okay, yeah. He can hook it.
Oh shit!
Yeah,
He's a goddamn redneck.
Yeah,
Telling
yeah.
him.
I'll tell you right now, this truck is gonna hook and win. I'll tell you that right goddamn now. If you ever seen this truck, he's won the brilliant shootouts. This is gonna be one of the #1 contenders. I guarantee you that right now.
Well, he said get your
We're
ass up
betting money.
with the money.
We're betting money right here on this Turbo S10.
How much is y'all betting, buddy?
I'm betting 20 and up, dude. 20 and up. We're not playing no games here, dude. We're here at Yello Belly, and we're live, man. We're here at Yello Belly, and I'm betting with this truck. I will put up to 100. I just got my stimulus check, dude. I will use that motherfucker. You hear me?
You and you, your
Use my stimulus check, guy. To go ahead, I'm betting right here with this S10, man.
What about if he red light?
He don't never red light.
Oh, well, I don't know, sir. It's going to
But
be
I
a
tell you
hard...
right now, buddy.
Well,
this truck is
you
gonna
better
be
put
one
that
of the
damn
finals.
tobacco in your damn mouth, Bubba, because it's going to be a long night.
Mop with it.
Hey,
What's up?
we sure do appreciate you came out tonight, man. You did a lot of things for us.
I highly appreciate you, mister. You've done a wonderful job. That's why they call you Employee of the Month, man.
Oh, my God. Not Employee of the
You're
Month.
Employee of the Month, no
Make
matter
it
what
sound-
month it is. Oh, shit. Man, we ain't let Touche go. Man, Touche be acting a fool on there, man. That's Employee of the Everybody, man, I'm thirsty again, man. I need another drink. Man. Somebody give me a... Nah, I don't want that. Let me see if I got some lemonade left before they start, man. Hey, y'all, we got the first round of the shootout. Hey, man. Huh? Yeah. We got that Turbo S10 truck versus,
That was old school from last time.
yeah, Kenso, that's how you doing, Kenfolk. He said, how you doing, Kenfolk? I said, just like how you doing it. Just like how you doing it. You doing it. Hey, man, we got Terry Hogg. Long recovery part 2 show. What's up with it, man? We got Terry Hogg in the building. You know what I'm saying? First round of the shootout. Badass Cobra, man. Badass paint job. They been wiping on it all day. Ooh, it's clean, too. It's clean, too. Look at it from right here. You gotta hit a picture like that one time. Got his wastegate sitting in the front. Ooh-wee. Yo, man, brand new headlights.